Good morning, everyone. The topic of my study is effect of colostomy care in service education on the level of competence among nurses working in surgical units. Summary. Introduction. Colostomy care is a significant nursing intervention to ensure patient-centered care. The assessment of nurses' knowledge of colostomy care has not been conducted before in the study hospital. The purpose of this study was to evaluate the nurses' knowledge of
Audio
colostomy
close
care
பண்ணு
and the effect of colostomy care in service education on the level of competence among nurses working in surgical unit. Method. Participatory action research approach was selected using pre and post tests to assess the nurses' knowledge managing patient care who are managing patient care with colostomy. The study results indicates that the nurses working in the surgical unit of the study hospital lack the required knowledge related to colostomy care. However, before and after the training session, significant difference in knowledge, skills and attitude was noted. The study findings suggest that there is an intense need to deal with this area and develop the mechanism for regular in-service education session on colostomy care for nurses working in surgical units. Moreover, future researches are warranted in these important aspects of nursing care. Background. A number of patients undergo colostomy procedure every year to treat and reduce the patient pain and discomfort. On the other hand, the procedure causes stress and agony for the patient. As a result, skin irritation 76%, pouch leaking 62%, unpleasant odor 59%, avoidance of enjoyable activities 54%, and depression and anxiety 53%. A key professional role of nurses working with colostomy patient is to provide high standard care based on patient needs. Colostomy is a surgical procedure that takes out one end of the large intestine and the colon is sidetracked through an incision in the abdominal wall to form the stoma. A stoma is the opening in the skin where a small bag for collecting feces is attached. People with temporary and the long-term colostomies have pouches attached to their sides where feces collected and easily disposed of. A recent study conducted in Pakistan reported the lack of trained nurses in colostomy care. Managing colostomy patient is a complex situation. It is important that time to time nurses' knowledge must be updated to help the patients to deal with altered health conditions. The purpose of this study was to evaluate the nurses' knowledge regarding colostomy care and effect of colostomy care in service education on the level of competence among nurses working in surgical units. Methodology. Participatory action research approach was used as a design using pre-test and post-test to assess the nurses' knowledge managing patient with colostomy with institutional review board approval. The sample of the study was 39 nurses who was selected from the male and female surgical units at Shifa International Hospital, Islamabad, Pakistan, a private tertiary hospital. Data was collected in last week of June 2016 using self-developed tool based on current literature review in the form of pre-test and post-test. Tool consisted of two parts. Part 1, demographic characteristics, age, gender, academic qualifications and job experience. Part 2 was consisted of assessment of nurses' knowledge related to colostomy care, included 5 subjective type questions. Each question was allocated 5 marks. Validated and validity of the tool was done by 2 expert nurses. A pilot study was carried out on 10% of the sample to test the feasibility of the study. These were 5 questions which were asked in pre-test and post-test. Now results and the discussion. The demographic part, 26 male and 13 female nurses participated in the study. Age-wise, 33 nurses were between 21 and 40 years of age. Designation-wise, 28 nurses were bedside nurses and 11 were assistant head nurses and above, who were acting as team leaders and in charges in the shift duties. Education-wise, BSN, there was 8 nurses who were BSN graduate and 31 nurses were diploma graduates who were additionally having 1 year of specialization in few of the disciplines like ICU, cardiology, pediatric, psychiatric, etc. Work-wise, 23 nurses had 1 to 10 years experience and 10 nurses were just fresh graduate. Now this is the slide for overall pre-test and post-test score. Data was analyzed using SPSS version 16. The mean score of pre-test is 6.08 and standard deviation 3.74. The majority of the nurses scored between 3 to 13 in pre-test and 13, the highest out of 25, was only scored by 2 nurses, where a significant difference in the post-test was noted. The mean score of post-test was 22.38 and the standard deviation 5.54. The majority of the participants scored 20 to 25. The 25 was the highest score that was achieved by 18 nurses in post-test. P-value for all the pre-test and the post-test responses were calculated using t-test. In all of the components, a significant difference was observed as all two-sided significance values for the complete set of questions came out to be highly significant, that was less than 0.005, rejecting H0. Conclusion. Overall, this study shows that nurses working in surgical wards in study hospital lack the required knowledge and competence in related knowledge of colostomy care. Therefore, nurse managers need to develop effective mechanism of regular in-service education for nurses working in surgical units. Though the sample of the study was very small and study findings cannot be generalized, even then study has an implication on nursing practice, education and research. Recommendations. Study findings suggest that the nurse managers must assess the nurses' knowledge regarding colostomy care on regular basis, develop an effective mechanism for continuing education to update nurses with required knowledge, skills to manage colostomy patients in surgical units to ensure patient-centered care. Replication of the study on larger scale is in multiple settings should be conducted for the purpose of generalization. These are my references. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Thank you so much.